Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today on this great, beautiful Monday morning? I'm back, guys, on behalf of Copy and Paste Ads. I'm not going to be on this long, but I just wanted to do a quick update before I get my day started. I've got a lot on my plate to do. Okay, Copy and Paste Ads, guys. You've seen I've been talking about this for a minute. This is an awesome little simple easy system for anybody that's looking to make money online the simplest way, and that's just copy, paste, okay, and post. Copy, paste, post. That's it. That's all you got to do. It's just that simple. Of course, there's other ways you can do it, but this is the most simplest way, and we have pre-written ads for you. But at any rate, this little system is $149 one time. You're going to get paid $100 over and over and over. Instant payments. There's no pass-ups, any of that, okay? You keep 100% commission, okay? This is the simplest way to make instant commissions, $100 over and over very quickly, okay? And then you can scale up to my other opportunities to get into big ticket and start making $500 and $1,000 a sign up, okay? So just want to show you that real quick. You probably landed here because you're looking for a way to make money online. That's how you landed on my page, or you're one of my current subscribers. Either way, I'm so grateful that you're here. So make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Now, what I'm going to show you real quick, I'm not going to spend much time on this. You can go back and look at some of my previous videos on this and go ahead and opt into the page. I'm going to put the link below and check it out. But I just want to show you some more results real quick this morning. Okay, so I'm going to flip over here. Give me a second here. Okay, I want to explain this one real quick. I spoke to a gentleman yesterday. This is a Walmart receipt, and you're probably wondering, why did you get a Walmart receipt? Because everything is done online. It is. But what happened yesterday was Sunday, okay? And I had a person that called me, and they wanted to get started in the program. We're having problems with their card. Whatever reason, not sure what was happening. We were trying to go in through PayPal. We were trying to do Stripe. He kept getting these error messages. But guess what? He didn't let that stop him. He said, let me figure out how else can I get this $100 to you. And I said, oh, you know what? Go to Walmart. He's in Colorado, okay? He said, oh, okay, how do you do that? I explained to him, you do Walmart to Walmart. I gave him my name and my state. He sent the money right over. As you can see, here's the receipt right here, 10/28. That was yesterday. Okay. Mr. Blanchard, welcome aboard. Okay, he sent this via Walmart. So he got in his vehicle, as you can see right here, Walmart to Walmart, and sent me this money because he was serious about starting his business. Right here. Okay. Go to easyprofit100.com. easyprofit100.com. You can get started too. But I just want you to see this, guys, that if you're determined, nothing can stop you. Okay? So he was determined. He said, hey, I'm not going to wait until Monday to call the bank and figure out what's going on with this card. Hey, I want to start today. So he went to Walmart and sent me the money. Wonderful. So that just shows you guys, people are interested in this. This is simple, okay? They don't want to, for the people that don't want to learn internet marketing and figure things out, or don't want to go through the process, because it is a process to get a skill to learn how to market online. So if you just want to post ads, or you just want to drive traffic, or you just want to send a text message, boom, you're done. And we have some awesome capture pages. Like I said before, my capture pages is getting over 50% opt-in rate. Okay, that's unheard of. I never got that with any of my other business opportunities. We say 30% is great. You're great. You're getting 30%. Okay, a little over 30%, but 50. Okay, so that's why this is converting so fast. So anyway, with that being said, okay, it's Monday morning. I'm talking to you. Right before I started this video, another sale came in. Okay, so let me show you that. This morning, 9:35 a.m., as you can see right here, October 29th, another sale came in, $100, okay? So this is working, guys. Please, let me tell you. I've got some ads that I've put out there. I found a place. where I put some ads out there, so they're working. Okay, so I can share that with you, as well as we do have a Facebook group too, guys. So we're going to tell you the top cities to place your ads in. And we have, it's a PDF that they put together with 100 different places to place your ads, different websites to go to. Okay, so there's plenty of places. You don't have to worry about it getting saturated. Plenty of places. Everybody thinks Craigslist. That is good. But we have other places. We've got a list of 100 different places that you can place your ad with. So with that being said, just want to come to you again with copy and paste ad system. Get started. Let me see if I can get in that Facebook group though before we go. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is the official copy and paste ads group, as you can see right here, and it is a closed group. I'll have to get you added once you sign up with me. So let's just roll through here this morning. Okay, looks like Johnson in there, the new sign up this morning. Okay, see, this is real. 29 minutes ago, he's saying, hey, congratulations, I just got another sale. Okay, this is rocking. Let me go ahead and say like. Okay, this is what I'm saying, guys. Okay, I'm not trying to brag or anything about that. I just want to show you guys that what I'm doing is working. That's what I'm saying, and we want to pass that along to you. Okay, income disclaimer, that doesn't mean a guarantee of income for you or how many sales you're going to get in one day. I just want to show you that it's working, because we get calls, hey, is this really working? How's it going? That kind of thing. It's going and it's working for me, so obviously something correct. Okay, so again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and get started with me. EasyProfit100.com. That's EASY, Easy Profit, PROFIT 100.com. Okay, I'll put that link below. I look forward to you joining my team and getting started and joining our copy and paste system, guys. Until next time, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.